হাই এভরিওয়ান, কেমন আছো তোমরা? আমি ভালো আছি। আজকে চলে এসেছি আরেকটা নতুন ব্লগ নিয়ে। আজকের টপিকটা ইজ সামথিং ডিফারেন্ট, সামথিং ফ্রম আওয়ার এপিক্স। বিফোর আই স্টার্ট দ্যাট টপিক, লেট মি টক টু ইউ অ্যাবাউট সামথিং। পুজো আসছে আশেপাশে, এভরিওয়ান রিকোয়ার্স মানি। সো ইমাজিন যে লোকটার ব্যাঙ্ক অ্যাকাউন্টে কোনো টাকা নেই, people who do not have money, obviously they'll have to be very ambitious to have money, earn money in his bank account so that পুজোতে খরচা করতে পারবে, ফ্যামিলির সাথে টাইম স্পেন্ড করতে পারবে। At the same time, zillionaires also crave to earn more money. মানে তাদের zillionaire হোক, trillionaire হোক, billionaire হোক, they need more and more and more of money. If a person without money is hungry for money, and if a person who has more money is also hungry for money, then in that case, how do we remove hunger from this world? কারণ কি মানির জন্য তো তাহলে সবাই হাংরি থাকবে। Because the hungry man only focuses on his hunger. On one hand, you have this rich person who is hungry for money but does not use the word hunger, uses the word ambition. However, on the other hand, you have this other people who do not have money and needs to earn money. তো তাদের হাঙ্গারকে আমরা কি বলবো? Ambition or greed? So this question boils down to the mythological syndrome which is called Bakasura syndrome. Bakasura is a mythological character from Mahabharata. There's a time when you have to make money and there's a time when you walk away from it and you let others make money. Bakasura syndrome has been derived from Mahabharata. Mahabharata হচ্ছে one of our epics. মহাভারতের একটা ক্যারেক্টার ছিল Bakasura. So Bakasura কি করতো? Bakasura would force people around him to bring him food. এবং along with the food, he would eat the people as well. So this explains the concept of more. Wanting more, having more, needing more and demanding more in terms of our life. আমাদের লাইফের সাথে এটাকে কি করে লিঙ্কড হচ্ছে, চলো তাহলে দেখে নিই। Bakasura syndrome basically gives rise to the concept of more. This unquenchable feeling that I need more, I want more, I demand more. Whether it is in terms of your personal life, your achievements, your relationships, your material possessions, or even pleasure. It leads to the mindset of enough is never enough, thus leading to discontentment, dissatisfaction, and imbalances in life. তো চলো দেখে নিই one by one how this syndrome applies to each and every area of our life. Uncontrollable desire for material possessions. Just like Bakasura, people possess this uncontrollable desire to get more material possessions, whether it is more money, bigger house, bigger car, bigger properties, more assets, latest gadgets, all these possessions. And people believe যে এইগুলোই তাদের happiness দেবে, to have the concept of more, bigger homes, to compare with people around them, যে দেখ আমার কত বড় বাড়ি আছে, I have so many cars, I have so many assets, jewelries, everything. But ভেতরে ভেতরে people get this inner dissatisfaction because they are constantly comparing themselves with other people and more is never enough for them. আজকে যত বড়ই বাড়ি বানিয়ে নিক, নেক্সট দিন মনে করবে আচ্ছা আমার বাড়ি তো এর থেকে ছোট বাড়ি। কি যত এক্সপেন্সিভই গাড়ি কিনে নিক তখনই মনে করবে আরে আমার গাড়ি তো এর থেকে আই শুড হ্যাভ বট দ্য মোস্ট এক্সপেন্সিভ কার উইচ ইজ নট ইভেন ক্লোজ টু দিস। সো ইন দিস হোল সার্কেল অফ মোর অ্যান্ড মোর পিপল গো ইন টু ডেটস, লোন হয়ে যায় তাদের, দে গো ইন টু ফিনান্সিয়াল রানডাউনস, বরবাদ হয়ে যায় লোকজন, just because they are constantly chasing these material possessions. People then start sacrificing themselves by working incessantly, constantly কাজ করছে, by literally saving every ounce of money, taking loan from here and there, literally killing themselves of all joys of life. আর একটা concept of Bakasura is applied to unhealthy ambition and achievement addiction. There are some people in life who always set very steep goals for themselves, এবং once they achieve a goal they do not stop and celebrate, সঙ্গে সঙ্গে তারা একটা next goal বানিয়ে ফেলে. While ambition is good, ambition is not bad, but then pushing yourself higher every time and trying to put yourself under this huge stress, anxiety, depression, frustration of not being able to achieve a goal or always chasing some goal, it's actually very frustrating. What happens is you tend to burn yourself out. এরকম টাইপের লোকজন fail to appreciate the good things around them. They fail to appreciate the present moment or the achievements that they have made in the past. You should stop and look at your achievements, what you have made in your past, where you have come from, where you have grown to. এই জিনিসগুলো যতক্ষণ কেউ দেখবে না, they will be perpetually creating a very stressful life for themselves. Eventually will feel perpetually unfulfilled. The third point is Bakasura syndrome. In terms of relationship is strain এনে দেয়. As in, there are some people who are very clingy in relationships. They are constantly demanding attention, affection, appreciation, validation in the relationships. Not just that, they are so demanding that তাদের relationship-এ partners tend to get very drained out by constantly giving and supporting them emotionally. They are emotionally very demanding in this relationship. এই টাইপের লোকজন, they constantly look for new partners because they are never satisfied with the present one. And what happens is they eventually are never satisfied in any relationship. They constantly keep chasing partners or changing people around them because they are looking for that unrelatable perfection. But সেই perfection, no one is perfect. সেই perfection কোনোদিন পাবে না. That concept of wanting more in a relationship, more attention চাই, more affection চাই, that leads them to constant dissatisfaction, and they become a chronic dissatisfied person in the relationship. The fourth point in Bakasura syndrome is related to addictive behaviors. Addictive behaviors not just towards food, but also towards social media, towards entertainment or any other form of pleasure. Anything that you do more than what is required is part of Bakasura syndrome, which means overconsumption. For example, people who are binge watching series after series on OTT platforms without sleeping nights at a stretch, wasting their productive hours, that's overconsumption. People who are constantly scrolling through reels, profiles, or any other form of addiction, whether it is alcohol, smoking, any other or any other kind of pleasure which gives a kind of addiction, is not good. It not only for short term pleasure it is fine, but in the long run it impacts your emotional health, your physical health. Constantly seeking these kind of addictions basically leads to emotional exhaustion, mental exhaustion, physical exhaustion. So it is always best to stay away from these kind of addictions. The last and not the least is spiritual and emotional dissatisfaction. So the concept of more could lead to an emptiness because people fail to reflect on themselves. তো তখন কি হয়, people feel this emotional void inside of them and this emptiness which later on bites them back big time. So it is always best that you try to keep your addictions and consumptions of anything, be it material position, be it your relationships, be it your spiritual, be it your addictive pleasures, achievements, all within limits and in balance. How you can do that? You can practice the art of gratitude. You can start living in the present moment. You can start practicing a very minimalistic, simple lifestyle where you are happy. Practice mindfulness. Start realizing, go down into your feelings and start realizing what is it that you desire from life. Will over possession of material possessions give you that kind of satisfaction? Start valuing relationships around you. Try to maintain a balance in life, whether it is in work. সরি, তখন আমার ফোনের স্পেস শেষ হয়ে গেছিলো, তাই আমি পুরোটা রেকর্ড করতে পারিনি। সো জাস্ট ওয়ান্ট টু ফিনিশ অফ হোয়াট আই স্টার্টেড। তো ইট ইজ এসেনশিয়াল দ্যাট ইউ মেনটেন a complete balance in life, both in terms of your health, relationships, your emotions, achievements, your goals, aspirations, ambitions. সব কিছু ব্যালেন্সে থাকাটাই এসেনশিয়াল। যদি ব্যালেন্সে থাকে সব কিছু, then you are going to be fit and you're going to enjoy every nuances in your life. কিন্তু কোনোটা যদি খুব বেশি ক্রেভিং হয়ে যায়, whether it is for wealth or whether it is over achievement or over ambition or extremely demanding relationships, তখনই অ্যাকচুয়ালি লাইফে ইমব্যালেন্সেস তৈরি হয় এবং বিভিন্ন এরিয়াজ অফ ইয়োর লাইফ এফেক্ট করতে শুরু করে। আমরা মনে করি একটা এরিয়া এফেক্ট করে, বাট ইফ দের ইজ ওয়ান এরিয়া দ্যাট এফেক্টস, আদার এরিয়াজ অলসো প্যারালালি এফেক্ট টুগেদার। ফর এক্সাম্পল, যদি ধরো তোমার লাইফে স্ট্রেস চলছে ডিউ টু ওভার ambitious goals or setting high benchmarks for yourself, এই স্ট্রেস থেকে কি হয়? হেলথ ইম্প্যাক্ট হয়। হেলথ ইম্প্যাক্ট হলে কি হয়? রিলেশনশিপস ইম্প্যাক্ট হয়। রিলেশনশিপস ইম্প্যাক্ট হলে কি হয়? সব এরিয়া অফ your life gets impacted. So it is very essential that you maintain a balance. With this, I'm going to end my video over here. If you like my video, if you like my content, and if you like my channel, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and please mention your comments. Please come back to my channel. You can hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, the first thing you will get is a notification from Shiny. With this, I'm ending my vlog. See you in my next video. Bye.